So what we have is Encore. Again, this is the Encore GX. I don't know how the regular one is, but anyway. How to remove the tail light. Very simple. The little trap door right here. Just pops off. You got one clip here. I mean, one indent. It actually seemed to work better from the bottom indent. I tried the top, but it didn't work, but I'm sure you can get it either way. So, take these two out, T15s, and then right here in the gap, use a little fiber stick like this. I wouldn't scratch the car. Go right in between, and you sort of weasel it. And there's, I should have took it off actually. I'll take it off and show you. But it pulls right out. This actually pushes the tension on the actual light, and it just sort of pushes it out evenly. Makes it easy as you pull. And that's it. Like I said, there's a clip back here. You gotta take this guy off to actually remove the light. So you gotta take this twist, tie down off. It just unscrews out. No tools. It's its own tool. And then a 10 mil back here, which is this guy. Here's an example again. And then you pull this guy back. So let me put my phone down. Maybe I can get it. Let's see. I'll put the phone down. I'll be right back. So everything out. So removing that 10 mil gives you enough play to get this panel out of the way, which is only pop into there, pop into there, pop into there, and then you can see, you pull it back, the harness right there, which has a little safety clip, that red safety clip, which is right there. Let's see. There you go. That's a better picture of it. You got to pull that guy back, push that guy in, and it pops right out. And then the whole thing just pops out in your hand. You don't need to do all that if you're just going to replace the tail light, but whatever is what it is. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.